Okay, welcome to today's show. I'm done in the dungeon workshop again. Today we're going to make this leather messenger bag handle. Let's see. It's 3 layers here. Well, 4 I guess. On the inside it's 1 inch, but probably for a smaller hand you'd want 3/4 inch. Well, I'm going to go through the steps of how I made it. You can follow along. Here I'm making the handle. Okay, there you go. This is how it's going to work. This is going to go in here. It's going to get folded back here. And then another piece is going to go in here. I'm going to put another piece right over top of it like this. And then fold all that over here like that. Let's see how this works. I'm going to put rivets in here. That. Then this will go in here like that and glue it. And then I'll glue this piece right over top of that like this. See the 3 layers there? And then this will go over top like that. And that'll hold this all together. And let's glue this bad boy up. Okay, so we have holes in there. Now we're just gonna try and suck them together. Back to the table. It's coming here. Hard for you to see, I guess. There, that looks pretty good. We'll go back through here, just tie it in and square it on underneath. And then we know it's not coming out. Okay, there it is. It's your handle. It's an inch wide here, the strap inside. I think if I was making it again, you could go 3/4 because of the size of this. We'll just buff this up and we'll show you the finished product. Now I'm just going to trim this off. Alright, thanks for watching today's video, how we made this handle. If you like today's video, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And leave a comment that'll be helpful to others. Later.